Chapter 1. How the society ought to conduct itself when it begins any new foundation. 1. In order to render itself acceptable to the inhabitants of a place, an explanation of the object of the society as set forth in the regulations will be of great service. Where it is said that the society should exert its utmost endeavors for the salvation of its neighbors equally with its own, wherefore it is necessary to discharge the most humble duties in hospitals, to visit the poor, the afflicted and prisoners, to receive confessions promptly and generally, that by the uncommon charity towards all and by the novelty of the things the principal inhabitants may be led to admire and love our people. 2. Let all remember that the opportunity to exercise the ministry of the society must be sought modestly and religiously, and that they study to render themselves agreeable towards all, especially ecclesiastics as well as seculars, of whose authority we stand in need. 3. It will be necessary to visit distant places where the needs of our people having been set forth, that they may receive even the smallest contributions, then by giving the same to the poor, they may by this means edify those who have not as yet known the society, and cause them to be more liberal towards us. 4. All must appear to be actuated by the same Spirit, and therefore should learn the same outward manner, that by uniformity in so great diversity of persons every one may be edified, and let those who would do otherwise be dismissed as injurious. 5. At first, let our people be cautious in buying land, but if they buy any well-situated for us, let this be done in the names of some trustee and secret friends, and that our poverty may be the more apparent, let the purchases which are adjacent to the places where our colleagues are founded be assigned by the provincial to colleges at a distance, by which means it will be impossible that princes or magistrates can ever have certain knowledge of the revenue of the society. 6. Our people should not separate with the intention of residing in the style of a college except in wealthy cities, for the object of the society is to imitate Christ our Savior, who lived principally at Jerusalem and only passed through other less important places. 7. Let the greatest amount be always extorted from widows, by impressing upon them our extreme necessity. 8. In each province let no one besides the provincial know the exact value of the revenues, and let what is contained in the Roman treasury be kept secret. 9. Let our people preach and everywhere declare in conversation that they have come for the instruction of youth and for the benefit of the people, and to perform all these duties without charge and without respect of persons, and not to be a burden on the community or other religious orders.